What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, Think Magazine, Put in a Geek. And today we're taking a look at this. This is the Shokz OpenComm UC bone conduction headset. Great for meetings, great for running, great for a lot of different things. It's bone conduction, so there's nothing that goes in your ears. It's noise canceling boom microphone, Bluetooth 5.1, call mute button, which can also be integrated with your Zoom or your Teams mute button. It's basically got a Loop 100 USB adapter, which will increase the wireless capability so you can move around a little bit more freely. And it's got a 16-hour battery in it, so you can charge these up. I have the first version of the OpenComm, which is great. So basically, I've been using these for a lot of meetings for my runs, keep my ears open so I can hear traffic coming through. It does a great job on that. So it'll be interesting to see what the UCs do. So let's go ahead and give this an open here. Slide that out like that. There we go. And we got a nice little case here. Looks like we got a set of instructions down here. Let's see if there's cords in here. Nope, just basically instructions and manuals. This is where we're going to open up. I love the cases from Shokz because I can use these for travel, and I can put these in the case and not have to worry about it. Here's the headset right here. We'll set that to the side. We've got the USB, that 100 USB link. So basically you can get this in USB-A or USB-C. And what you do is you plug this into the computer so it creates a better wireless link between the headphone set and the computer. You do not need to use this on a regular basis. So you can keep it in this little flap right here. And then finally, that's Velcro. Wow, cool. Velcro pouch there. And in here, we've got the USB charging cable. Now, this is a proprietary cable, so do not lose that. There it is right there. USB-A to this charger right here, because what it's going to do is it's going to fit on the back of this headset right here. It's magnetic, so it'll click right in. Let's take a look. Here's the headset right here. I'm going to start with the boom arm, fully movable. It's very rubbery. Over here, we've got a talk stop button. Most likely you can hit play right there. You can hit pause, call back, things like that. On the bottom here, we have a volume up and a volume down. And then over here on the stem, we have one more button. And this is the mute button. This can actually be set up so when you're inside of a Zoom call, you press that and it'll actually Zoom mute. Otherwise, it works as a regular hardware mute, so it'll turn off the microphone, turn it back on when you need to. All right, let's take a look at how it fits. So we'll come back up here, and we'll go like this, and it sets just like that. Easy peasy, no problems right there. Let's see if we got any charge. So in order to turn it on, you just hold down that plus button on the, and it says, "Welcome to Shokz." It's ready to Bluetooth pair into anything right here. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to Bluetooth pair this right into this computer. So we Bluetooth paired this into the computer, and I set it up on the system. So you're actually hearing it through this microphone right here. As you can see, like I said, it's very open ear concept. Let me show you this really quick so you can see that. There we go. My ear, I can definitely hear from the left and right side. As you can see, the button system's right there. On the other side is the play and pause button. And then, of course, the mute button. So if I press this mute button right now, and then it said mute off, and now you can hear me again. And like I said, I can pair this with a lot of different programs. You'll be able to hardware mute if you need to, and it'll actually tell you when you press the button if the mute is on or if the mute is off. You can also pair up with two different devices, so you can have it paired up with your phone and paired up with your computer, or maybe two phones or whatever. So that's the Shokz OpenComm 2 UC headset. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Until next time, you guys. Geek out.